Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix laptop screen freeze or a stuck problem on your Windows PC. So if you are having this problem that your screen is stuck and you cannot do anything, so I'm going to show you three methods to solve the problem. So for the first method, you have to restart your graphics drive. To do that, all you have to do is press Windows Control Shift and beep, and it will make a beep sound, and the screen will flicker a couple of times. That means your driver is restart, the graphics driver is restart, and see if the problem is solved or not. If this doesn't help you resolve the problem, the second method is go to your taskbar. To do that, press Ctrl Shift and Escape. It will it will bring you to this task manager and scroll down all the way, and here you can see Windows Explorer. Just right click it and select start. It will maybe start your Windows Explorer and see if the problem is solved or not. If this doesn't help, we have to hard reboot the PC. So to do that, just press Windows X and press U two times. It will shut down your PC, and after shutting it down, press your power button up to 15 to 20 seconds to drain all the power from your or PC, and then restart your PC and see if the problem was solved or not. So this is the video, and I hope this will be a helpful video for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.